Dear students, good morning. Now we will see the third part of the story, A Triumph of Surgery. See how Tricky is taken to a hospital. We will see in this story. In this part, the entire staff was roused and Max rushed in and out, bringing his day bed. See, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys, and rubber rings. So, what happened? All the staff members who were working in Humphrey's house, they were busy in bringing the things which would be used by the dog in the hospital. है ना, क्या क्या वो यूज करता है उसको लेकर सब बाहर आ रहे हैं। उसके सर्वेंट, किसके सर्वेंट? मिसेस पंपरे के। कोई तकिया ला रहा है, कोई बेड ला रहा है। देखो उसके डे के लिए अलग बेड, नाइट के लिए अलग बेड। बहुत सारे कुशंस, खेलने की चीज़। देखो हॉस्पिटल जा रहा है। ब्रेकफास्ट खाने का कटोरा, लंच खाने का कटोरा, डिनर खाने का कटोरा, सब अलग अलग जा रहा है। Realizing this, that so what happened? Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff. So what happened? Doctor, the narrator, he came to know if they will send this much things to the hospital, all things will not be adjusted in the car. है ना, वो जान रहे थे डॉक्टर साहब कि इतने सामान उसके लिए बाहर निकाला गया कि वो उनके कार में अटता नहीं। तो जब वो देखने लगे कि उनके कार में अटेगा नहीं, तो वो धीरे धीरे गाड़ी बढ़ाने लगे। What happened? As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey with a despairing cry. So what happened? As he started driving the car slowly, Mrs. Pumphrey came out running. दौड़ कर आती है, and just despairing cry. That means just in panic mode she had cried, wait, wait. And what happened? She has brought loads of coat. For whom? For Tricky. And through the coat, through that means fekna, through the coat, where she has thrown? She has thrown the coat inside the car from the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. तो जब ये ले जाने लगते हैं डॉग को, that time he was noticing everyone in that house were crying from their eyes. Tears was falling out. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. So what happened? When he was taking Tricky to the hospital, just he started looking at the dog. He was in very bad condition and it was very hard for him to breathe. So what happened? Just he has petted the head of that dog, है ना, सहलाते हैं उसके हेड को। तो किसके हेड को? ट्रिकी के हेड को। मेड अ ब्रेव एफर्ट टू वेग हिज टेल। तो क्या होता है जब सहलाने लगते हैं तो दिखते हैं किसी तरह वो अपना पूंछ को हिला रहा है। पुअर ओल्ड लैड, आई सेड। So he is saying, oh, you haven't a kick in your life. You, but I think I know a cure for you. तो वो कहते हैं, अच्छा अच्छा, आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी में कभी किक नहीं मिला है, तो हमको लगता है अगर किक मिल जाता तो आपके लिए वो ट्रीटमेंट हो जाता है। एट द सर्जरी द हाउस होल्ड डॉग्स सर्च राउंड में। टू जब हॉस्पिटल पहुंचाते हैं तो जितने डॉग्स वहाँ थे हॉस्पिटल में सारे आ जाते हैं, है ना। Tricky looked down at the noisy pet with dull eyes, and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. But when so many dogs came closer to Tricky beforehand, Tricky did not see that much dog in his life, है ना। तो वो तो बहुत राजशाही वाला जिंदगी जीता था, तो दिखा नहीं था उतना डॉग एक बार। वे लोग आवाज़ निकाल रहे थे, ये ट्रिकी उतरता है कहाँ, कार से जब उतारा जाता है, जस्ट ही लाइट डाउन ऑन द कारपेट विदाउट मोशन, विदाउट प्रोड्यूसिंग साउंड। So what happened? The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. So what happened? Other dogs, they came closer to him. They started sniffing, but he did not respond. Then they came to know that, oh, this is uninteresting object. दूसरे डॉग्स जो है जैसे ही उतारा जाता है उनको लगता है कि घर में एक नया मेहमान आया है, क्योंकि वो तो हॉस्पिटल में थे तो वो बढ़िया ट्रीट कर रहे थे, लेकिन ये जो ट्रिकी है कुछ भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं देता है तो वो सोचने लगते कि चलो इस पर ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए, इट इज़ अनइंटरेस्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट। आई मेड अप अ बेड फॉर हिम इन अ वार्म लूज बॉक्स, so where he has made bed for this dog. कौन? narrator. Next to the one where other dogs slept. तो कहाँ बनाते हैं? Just in the room where other dogs were sleeping, but there was a box. In that box his bed was made. For 2 days I kept an eye on him. तो 2 दिन तक इस डॉग पर नज़र रखने लगे। Who? The narrator. Giving him no food but plenty of water. 2 days he did not give food to this dog, only water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings. So what happened? सेकेंड डे के लास्ट में अब ऐसे लगने लगा, जब खाना नहीं मिलने लगा तो लगने लगा कि वो अब अपने चारों तरफ ध्यान दे रहा। एंड ऑन द थर्ड he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. Whimper, that means he started giving response to other dogs when he used to hear the sound of the dog. Just he used to notice the sound. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Trotted out, that means came out, है ना, from the box, and was immediately engulfed by Joe. Joe is the dog, and greyhound, and his friends. See, greyhound, that means that is आप कह सकते हैं जंगली डॉग, and his friends, after rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved up down the garden. क्या होता है, ये जो डॉग है वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आता है, इसको सूंघता है, इसको रोल करके देखता है, उसके बाद वो ग्राउंड में जहाँ खेलते थे, हॉस्पिटल में ग्राउंड था, there they went. ये देख रहे हैं कौन? नैरेटर। Tricky followed them slowly. Tricky has also followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Surplus fat means he was so fat that he would not move fast. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. So what happened? After a few days also he was seeing the activity of Tricky. I was present at feeding time. तो खाना देने के समय ये नैरेटर थे वहीं। I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. So when the dogs were given food, that time narrator was there only. तो तिस्तान जब खाना दे रहे थे तो वो देखते हैं कि जब कटोरा में खाना रखा गया, all dogs they ran towards the meal. सब दौड़ कर आते हैं खाने की ओर. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. So, what did he notice about the other dog? Other dog, they started running towards the food as they used to do daily. This thing the narrator has noticed. For today, dear students, this much only. Thank you.